Hey people, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, and here is my hungry mom. Hi, Mom.
Hello, everyone.
She's back with another taste test with me because I'm in Arizona and I'm putting her to work because that's what we do, right?
Right.
You know what we're trying today?
We are trying
Ice cream?
mochi.
Mochi ice cream. Now, do you know what mochi is?
I'm not sure.
What does it sound like? What do you think it is?
Mochi is delicious ice cream.
Have you ever had like ice cream in a Japanese restaurant, a sushi place? That's mochi. So it's ice cream covered in mochi dough. So it's like mochi is rice dough. And this is my mochi. And these are interesting and new because they are made with oat milk. So this is a mochi oat milk frozen dessert. So this is good,
Healthy.
plant-based. So if you're vegan or if you avoid dairy, this is plant-based. Now each one of these is 80 calories and the flavor is strawberry. Here, take that. Don't bite into it yet. Wait for me. So this is like a little dough. You feel the dough?
Yes, I do.
Okay, let's take a little bite. 1, 2, 3. Texture's good.
I love it.
I love it too. What do you like about it?
Strawberry.
Strawberry,
It's a little chewy.
chewy. I like that the strawberry is tart. Right?
delicious.
It's creamy, but tart.
Very good.
You love the dough outside, huh?
Yes.
You're a mochi fan. You never even knew that.
I am a mochi fan.
How did you live this long without eating mochi?
I don't know, but my life has changed.
Forever. Say goodbye to the people.
I think I'm going to finish
Thumbs
it.
up. It's great. You can finish it.
It's sugar, huh?